Divas and Dons, welcome back to another video, guys. Subscribe to my channel, like and share out the video. I'm making candles today, guys, a home making candle kit, DIY candle kit, do it yourself. So here are all the bits and pieces, and here is the wax. You weigh it up. We've got the tin to melt the wax in, and here I have some colouring, guys, and we're going to make these colours today in purple. And have some water in a pot. Water's boiling up. Get that up to the right temperature, and then you put your little tin of wax in there with your colouring, and you just slowly melt all of that out. Guys, this is so easy, yes. So I'll come back when that's melted out. Here we go, nearly finished, nearly there. This is exciting. It's the first time I'm making candles, guys, and it's so easy. Are we nearly finished? Yes, we are finished. All the candle wax is melted out. Nice purpley colour. So now I'm putting in some scent. Guys, and now I'm going to pour the wax into the candle tins. You can see you have the wick standing up in the tin, guys. Yep, pour that in, and I have already done a few there at the back. Yes. There you have it, guys. These candles are gonna sit for a while till they set. And also, guys, save all your old candle holders. I made some in a glass candle holder here. Save some of your candle holders, guys, because you can reuse them. And there we have it. The candles are set. Just cut your wick off. Snip. And there you have it, guys. Your own candles. How much money do you think we saved here? I wonder. Quick and easy, guys. Like up this little video. Comment below. Divas and Dons. That's it, guys. DIY candles, do it yourself. And look, I reused another jar and I made a big one in orange. DIY candles, guys, easy. Like up the video. See you next time.
Are you low?